If you want to learn how to use Hostinger vibe coding, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can get started fast, even if you've never used it before. We'll log in, open the right section inside Hostinger, create a new website, enter a strong prompt, and let the platform generate your site for you. This is a simple workflow that can save you a lot of time when building a modern website. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side. From there, click on Horizons Vibe Coding. This is the section you need to access the AI website building tools inside Hostinger. After that, you'll see an option to add a website. Click Add Website to begin the setup process. This is where you start telling Hostinger what kind of site you want to create. Now comes the most important part, and that is your prompt. You want to give Hostinger a clear and detailed instruction so the results are better. For example, you can type something like, create a modern, responsive SaaS-style website with a hero section, features, pricing, testimonials, and contact form. Include a sticky navbar, smooth scrolling, dark and light mode, and a clean UI with subtle animations. Optimize for speed and SEO. The more specific your prompt is, the better the website output will usually be. If you already know your brand style, you can also mention your colors, layout preferences, target audience, and the type of pages you need. After entering your prompt, click Enter. Hostinger will then begin generating your website based on the instructions you provided. At this point, all you need to do is wait a few minutes while the system builds the structure and layout for you. Depending on the complexity of your prompt, it may take a little time, but the process is usually very quick and beginner-friendly. Once it's finished, your site will be ready to review. From there, you can check the design, make adjustments, and continue customizing it until it looks the way you want. That's the basic workflow for using Hostinger Vibe Coding. Log in, open Horizons Vibe Coding, add a website, enter a detailed prompt, and let Hostinger generate the site for you. It's a fast and easy way to build a polished website without starting completely from scratch. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.